Hi, this is Daniel from Tool Trailer USA, and we're here today doing a product demonstration. This tool trailer is built for tool storage for tradesmen and construction specialists. As well, it has 7 different doors to where you can store your tools, along with many compartments in each to where you can store different sizes of tools. We also have a ladder rack on top, and we have a tire holder as well too. And then you also have a roller at the back end. Let's go ahead and start with a walkthrough on the different compartments. So to begin, each door hinge here, all you have to do is press in on it and it'll unlock. Now again, you'll get keys with these, so you can lock these as well if you want to lock them. But you have your different compartments here as well. I'll open this door up. And then this compartment here, this can fold down. You can put your bigger tools in this section right here for tool storage. Also too, if you want to get access to the solar panel controller charger, you can do it through this door right here. And also you have your 2 batteries there as well. And then you also have another outlet you can connect to. And then each door also has LEDs, so if you're working at night and you're trying to find tools, the LEDs will pop on as well on the unit. Right here, this section, if you want to fill your water tank up, you'd connect it in here, and this would be the inlet valve to fill your water tank up, so you could use your water spigot at the front of the unit. And then this is the back of the tool trailer. So any of your tools that are small in size, or any of the tools you want to store in compartments, you can bring these compartments out and put your tools into. Now, each sub-compartment, these blue hinges here, to unlock them, you pull down on them and then you pull out as well. So just as is, like this, and they pull right out as well too. So that way you can put all your tools in there. These doors also slide out as well. So if you want to expand one little cabinet piece, you can expand it to make it a little bit bigger. And same with these as well too. You can slide these out and expand it if you want. And then we'll go around to this side. Now you do have a ladder rack on this side, and you have speakers as well. So if you need to access or climb up top, you can climb up top and adjust anything up top. And you have your roller here as well to help put material onto the top on that ladder rack. And then on this side, you have your stereos here. If you want to use the radio, this does come with a radio here to turn everything on as well. Would be these buttons right here to turn everything on. Once everything gets charged up, you have your power inverter here too. And then you also have some more sub compartments for tools and just an open tool storage area as well. This compartment here, it extends all the way to the other side as well too, is if you want to put any long bars or any other extra storage in there for any component, you can do that as well. And then this one's just the same as the other side, just an extra area for storage as well, just the same as the other side. Now, and this bottom one does slide out as well too. So if you want to slide this out, you can slide that out. Your hitch type here, you have a 2 5/16" hitch that comes with this trailer. Then you also have a jack for extra weight support. And then you got the tire holder here. And then on top, you got 2 solar panels as well that pull out in case you have material on top as well, so they can charge. They can pull out and lock. As well as the other one.